Welcome children. This is Trinity Academy Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Now we are going to learn about our body, a living machine. A car, a grinder and a computer are all machines. Do you know that the human body too is a machine? It is a living machine. Human body is a living machine. It can see, hear, smell, taste and feel. It can also move, grow, breathe and reproduce. The human body is made up of cells. Cells are of different kinds. Cells of the same kind join together to make a tissue. Tissues join together to make an organ. Many organs together form an organ system. Different organ systems work together to make it possible for the body to play, learn, grow and do many other things. The next one is sense organs. The main sense organs are the eyes, the ears, the nose, the tongue and the skin. Our eyes helps us to see. Our ears helps us to hear. Our nose helps us to smell. Our tongue helps us to taste. Our skin helps us to feel heat, pain, pressure and touch. The sense organs are connected to the brain through the nerves. The sense organs send messages to the brain. The brain makes us understand pictures, sounds, smells, taste and feelings. The next one is organ systems. While our sense organs helps us to know our surroundings, the organ systems inside our body carry out different functions. These organ systems are like the members of a team. Each one has its own function. The next one is respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of the nose, the windpipe and the lungs. The air in the nose prevents dust and germs from entering our body. The air then goes to our lungs through the windpipe. The air that we breathe in has a gas called oxygen. The lungs take in oxygen from the air and supply it to the various parts of our body. This oxygen burns up the food we eat and gives us energy. The air we breathe out in is impure and has carbon dioxide in it. Breathing purifies our blood. Breathe correctly, children. We should breathe in fresh air. Keep the windows of our rooms open. Breathe through our nose, not our mouth. Not cover our face while sleeping. Once again I repeat, children. We should breathe in fresh air. Keep the windows of our rooms open. Breathe through our nose, not our mouth. Not cover our face while sleeping. The next one is digestive system. When we smell food, our mouth starts watering. This is the beginning of digestion. Digestion is the process of changing our food into a simple form so that it can be used by the body. The food that we chew mixes with saliva and becomes soft. The food then goes to the stomach. In the stomach, the food mixes with some digestive juices. About 4 hours after eating, the food goes into the small intestine. Here, the food is further digested, taken in by the blood, and carried to the other parts of the body. The undigested food goes to the large intestine, and from there it is thrown out through the anus. The next one is circulatory system. The heart, the blood, and the blood vessels make up the circulatory system. The heart pumps the blood to different parts of the body through small and big blood vessels. The blood takes digested food and oxygen to all parts of the body. Also, it collects waste from all parts of our body. The next one is nervous system. This system consists of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. The nervous system controls all our actions like seeing, hearing, walking, and learning. The next one is skeletal system. Our body is made up of 206 bones. Our body is made up of 206 bones. Some are big while some are very small. These bones are joined together to make up the skeletal system. The bones give shape and support to the body. We can stand, walk, and move because of our bones. Also, our bones protect all the soft organs of our body like the heart, the lungs, and the brain. The next one is muscular system. Our body is made up of more than 600 muscles. Our body is made up of more than 600 muscles. Muscles also give shape and support to the body. Muscles also give shape and support to the body. The skin covers the muscles in our body. The skin covers the muscles in our body. The muscles are fixed to the bones. The muscles are fixed to the bones. Muscles make the bones to move. Muscles make the bones to move. Muscles also help to lift our back. Lift our back. Throw a ball. Throw a ball. Swim, run, hop, skip, and jump. Pedal or bicycle. The next one is excretory system. The next one is excretory system. The waste in the body has to be removed regularly for the body to work smoothly. The kidneys keep our blood clean and helps in removing urine. The skin removes sweat. The lungs throw out carbon dioxide. The next one is reproductive system. The next one is reproductive system. The organs of this system help to produce babies. The organs of this system help to produce babies. Because of this system, life on earth goes on. Because of this system, life on earth goes on. Okay, children, now I am going to recall this lesson once again shortly. The human body works like a machine. The human body works like a machine. The human body is made up of cells, tissues, organs, and organ system. The human body is made up of cells, tissues, organs, and organ system. Our sense organs tell us about our surroundings. Our sense organs tell us about our surroundings. Sense organs work together with the brain. Sense organs work together with the brain. The various organ systems help our body to carry out different functions. The various organ systems help our body to carry out different functions. We should breathe in fresh air and breathe correctly. We should breathe in fresh air and breathe correctly. Thank you, children. We will see in the next class. Thank you.